like I said, another one, I like doing these videos for people with mobility issues that can't walk the beach. Yeah, so if you're one of those people tuning in and you're getting some value from that, leave a comment below. I'd sure love to hear from you. If there's anything that I'm not providing you that you don't have access to, let me know and I'll try to accommodate that in future videos. So we're really happy to be here. We've been wanting to come to San Pancho for a while. Saw a bunch of vloggers that have been here and really made us want to check it out. Just real quick here, this is the entrance to the beach. Notice that there's no pavement or sidewalks or anything like that, so for mobility issues, once you get to the sand, it might be a little bit harder to move around, obviously. If you look down to the beach to the right, that's towards Los Marcos, that's also north. And if you look south, which is left down the beach, you're looking towards Sayulita. There is a trail that you can take to Sayulita. It's going to take you about an hour and a half from what I've read to get there. That trail is considered moderately challenging. I've also read that you can hike to Los Marcos, but I've read on reviews that somebody built a fence with razor wire partway through it, so it might be problematic. You're definitely going to want to research that a little bit more if you intend on taking that hike, I would think. This beach took about 25 minutes to walk from one side to the other. I think it's about 2 kilometers long. We've heard this beach referred to as both Playa San Pancho and Playa San Francisco. Hey, beach dog. If you'd like to help support the channel, you can do it by liking the videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It's absolutely free. And ring the bell if you want to be notified when we make another video. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to answer them in the comments section or on our social media. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee, and all those links are in the video description. You have no idea how much those things help us grow our channel, and we do really appreciate it. If you're coming here on a day trip from Puerto Vallarta or somewhere else, one of the things you're going to notice is that there's not near as many beach vendors here, and the ones that we ran into weren't very pushy at all. Realizing not everybody's into the long beach walks, most of our videos have chapters in them, so if you want to skip more to the meat of the talking and stuff like that, you're able to do that through the chapters. Having said that, I'm going to be quiet for a little bit so the people that like these can just enjoy the beach. All right, there's not a whole lot going on back there now, so I think I'll just turn around and head back up more where the people are on the way back this time. Like I said, the waves are pretty bad. I don't know that you'd want to have kids out there. It's better when you get closer to the shore, but some of them are pretty bad. But it is a nice stretch of beach. It is definitely a lot more busy here than Rincon to Waibitos, for sure. Sorry, I got right in my face there. But I would like to spend some more time here, maybe on another trip. This is just kind of a fact-finding mission for us. So yeah, we'll head back to where I came from. We'll walk through where most of the people are so you can get an idea what the crowd would be like. And yeah, it's basically where we're going to be on this video. So we're really happy to be here. We've been wanting to come to San Pancho for a while. Saw a bunch of vloggers that had been here and really made us want to check it out. So I will shut up again and we will head up where the people are. Got a couple surf shops where you can learn how to surf or rent a board. I stopped in the Noyo surf shop, did a quick little interview with him. If you want to see that, it's on our first impressions of San Pancho video, the one right before this one. Excuse me, did you have to rent that umbrella? Hi, buddy. Did you have to rent that umbrella?
Oh, we bought it. It's ours.
Okay,
Yeah.
I just wondered what the going rate was
But
around
these
here.
around here, yeah, I think they're 150.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now, if you watch our last video, the first impressions of San Pancho, we talked to a guy in that video who had rented an umbrella at the other end of the beach. It was substantially more money than what she just said. She said 150 to 200 pesos. But I think the reason for that was he must have been at a beach club, because in those situations they'll say spend $30 on food and drink at the restaurant and the umbrella's free for the day, like a package deal. So I believe that's what was going on in that other video. If you haven't seen it, you should check it out. There's some good information in it. If you want more information on beach clubs and how they kind of operate, you can check out our How We Spent the Day in Puerto Morelos video. It's a little bit older video, gives you a good idea of what to expect at a beach club and how the price structures work. It's right at about the 4-minute mark. We'll link that video in the video description so it's easy for you to find if you're interested. Until you get up to the main. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, you can keep walking and walking down there. There doesn't look like a whole lot to do down there. Just so you have a point of reference, I was walking this beach around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Things you're going to want to bring with you. An umbrella if you have it. If not, you're going to want some shade. There's not a whole lot of natural shade on this beach. Sunblock. You're definitely going to need sunblock. Water. You're going to want some water. Bring some small bills. There's some cool stuff that the beach vendors have that you can buy. Some of the beach clubs will take a credit card, but if you want to go there for the afternoon, maybe bring some bigger bills. And if you want to do some surf lessons, you're going to want to bring some cash for that too. thought that brown building was a hotel, but it's actually holiday apartment rentals. And on the opposite side of it, it says it's condominiums. And now I'm going to take you up to this hut here, right beside that building. It says massage on the side. And we'll see if they have a price list there. Check that out. And here it is. Hello, amigo. So that is the beach at San Pancho or San Francisco, whatever you want to call it. It's a nice beach. That's going to be it for today's video. Until next time, cheers. Next week we see in a couple hotels that I bet you no one watching our channel's ever stayed at. One had a super cool pool.